Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
No? Where? Where? Okay, wrong.
Well, who? What guys?
The gun and the hair right there.
Well, right there. You tell me where.
The black car?
That guy right there.
Yeah, the black boy guy. Look. Right
Is that
there.
that guy looking down right now?
Yeah, and then this one here.
Okay, stay here. Stay here. They're saying it's not them. Go ahead. Stop.
You in the black shirt, get down on the ground.
13 Sam, he's not listening.
Get down on the ground now. Do it now. Do it now. Put the gun down. Step back.
Get away from the gun! Don't look at the gun or grab it!
Don't touch it!
Don't touch the fucking gun!
No!
It's on the ground.
I see it.
Hey! Take a step away from the fucking gun! Hey, someone have that guy walk traffic right there. There we go. Hey! You with the black shirt, step away from the gun!
Off traffic. Get away from the gun.
Let go of your parents. Back up. Put your hands up.
Okay, we have hot shot Phillips, northbound. He's on the west side, east side of the street. Approximately mid-block. He dropped the gun, he's swinging with his pants or something like that.
Hey!
Follow command.
Hey, bro! Step away from the gun!
Don't pick it up. Come to us.
Walk backwards, dude.
Come.
Just walk away from the gun. Stop fixing your belt and walk towards us.
13 Sam, he's still not obeying commands. The gun is on the ground right in front of him. 13 Sam, we're trying to get it right now.
We're working on it.
Dude! Hey!
13 Sam, where's Kaner?
Hey! Walk away from the gun, bro. Come on. We don't want to hurt you.
Josh, keep talking.
Get up here. Walk away from the gun. Come to my door. Hey, don't, hey!
Put it down.
Drop the gun. She's off the gun. Hey,
Fucking shoot him. Christ.
hold on.
He's up. Put it down. Hold fire.
Hold fire.
Damn it. Son of a bitch. He's on the ground.
He's on the ground.
All right. Settle down.
Not moving.
Settle down.
Hey, Cummings, can you see the gun?
Yeah, it's right there in front of him. So it's between us and him.
All right, we're gonna sit tight. Hey,
That's what I want.
Kind of need a K9.
Almost there.
I don't see a movement. Let's see if we can get a better angle. You guys hold tight here.
Okay.
Duke, you and me.
Yep.
I need other hands. Hands. Hands.
Hold on.
Okay. I know. I'm getting a state team. That's it. Together.
Yeah, wait for the K9.
Okay. You might cover units. You too.
Got you. Still got me back.
Okay. Well, we're not gonna need that anymore. Well, you never know, actually. Fuck.
Why don't we have Cummings push up a little bit?
Yeah, we use the car. What do you think?
Cummings, Cummings
Use the
push-
car. Push up a little bit. No movement.
Hey, stay inside. The guy. Yeah, the guy's.
Brandon, want to have a car come up, protect us? I don't know where K9's at.
Wait for K9.
Okay. Your call. Keep talking. Go.
You're standing back for K9.
At 13-7 update. Not too much movement out of him, but the gun's still right next to his left hand. You okay?
Yeah, I just want to go.
I know.
First aid.
I agree. He's still moving. Where's your car at?
All the way back south of.
I'll run. Go.
All right, guys, we're moving up. Ready? Right. Moving up? Yep.
Like a phone moving up.
Secure that gun. House. Roll him on his side. Check the leg, get him lift up. Get his arm up here. Hook him up. There you go. All right, let's start running aid to this guy. Good. Hold on, guys. House. Let him get the dog out. Hey, man, you talk to me. Man. Where you hit? Someone clearing medics yet?
Yeah, they're right there.
All right. All right, right here.